Hey guys, it's the Lego Builder. Today I'm going to show you how to build this Easy Lego microwave. So here we have a control panel where you can put the temperature and everything. And we have this here, it opens up. And you can see you can put some food in there. So I have pizza food in there for now. And turn it around, you can see that's how it is. And on the bottom, there's two inverted studs so you can connect it to studs. You can put this on in your Lego house or anywhere else you want to do. So smash the like button, subscribe, and now let's get building.